Hi, my name is Rahul Pegoda. Today we are discussing about social political chapter class 7 Women Change the World. Introduction. By getting education, women have got opportunities rise in every field. Means when women got right to read and write, they get opportunities in every field. Women movement have risen to challenge discrimination in all part of the world. Means women movement is made to risen to challenge discrimination in all part of the world. Learn for change. Going to school is an important part of life. Means if we don't go to school, we do not get any type of educations. Two, it is difficult for us to imagine the school and learning could be seen in out of bound or not appropriate for children. Means it is difficult to imagine like that school and learning could be seen out of bound or not appropriate for some children. In the past, few people learnt reading and writing. Means in the past and days, only few people uh, learn education. Most people learn their work from their families and elder. In past and days means in olden days, most people learn from their families and elder. Every family was skill like pottery, weaving, and crafts were taught. Means every families have one type of skills. The contribution of daughter and women was seen as secondary. Means the contribution to daughter and women were as secondary option. In the 19th century, new ideas about learning and education appeared, but there was lot of opposition to educate girls. Means in 19th century there are new ideas about learning. Means there was a opportunity to educate girls, but at that time also some people are opposing the to educate girls. In 1890, Ramabai champions the cause of women education. Means he make the cause of women education. And one of the famous women stories that Ro- Rokea's Hussain learnt English from her elder brother. See, he learnt English from elder brother and elder sister in spite of family opposition. Means the family are opposite to read, but he read and went to become a famous writer. Rashundari Devi of Bengal was first Indian woman to write an autography of Hamad Jikan. Means he was the first woman write an autography book. Fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. A lot of people feel that women are fit for certain kind of job like nurse, etc. They are not fit for technical jobs. Means they think that they are not fit for technical jobs. In most families, women are taught that after school they have to get married. Means in most families in olden days, now not, are taught that after school they have to get married. Lakshmi, however, broke this stereotype image when he became first woman engine driver of the North Indian Railways. Means he break the stereotype discrimination about women reading anything in that age. We live in a society full of pressures. Means we live in this society which is full of pleasures. If boys do not work hard to get a good salary, they are builders. Today, both boys and girls attend school in large numbers. Means you see that so much people will attend. There is no discrimination nowadays. Difference in their education still remains. In India, had a census every 10 years, which counts the population of the country in schools, colleges, like that. The information are used to measure things like literacy, etc. The huge number of SC/ST children leave school at young age, means they do not have money to pay, so that is why they leave at young age. The 2014 census even shows that Muslim girls are less than Dalit girls to complete primary schools. Means see how was the poor population. Many reasons like non-qualability of teachers and schools, lack of transport, cost of education, untreated attitude of parents and teachers are responsible for negligence of education. See, these are all the reasons for negligence of education. Yeah, last topic, women movement. Women have individually and collectively struggled to bring about changes. This is called women right movement. They made women right movement to protest against discrimination and stereotype about them. Different stereotypes have been used to spread awareness, fight discrimination, and seek justice. Means there are different type of stereotypes. In these movements are related to campaigning and raising awareness, protesting, and showing solidarity. Solidarity means there are so many types of movement relating to this. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and watch more videos. Thank you.